Hey everyone, welcome to another amazing Placewit story. So today we are having Manasa with us. So she is from MNIT Bhopal and she is right now placed in Cashfree. She has given a lot of interviews on big names like Microsoft, Shaw and a lot more. So we'll be discussing a lot of things with her, like about how she started her coding journey, difficulties she faced, how was her interview experience, how has the shift from that college life to the professional corporate life that we say is going on. So without further ado, let's get started. So hey Manasa, how are you?
Hi Chirag, I'm fine. How are you?
Great. I'm also very excited for the session. So it will be great if you can introduce yourself to the audience.
Yeah, hi everyone, I'm Manasa. I have graduated in CSC from NIT Bhopal and I've been placed at Cashfree Payments. It's a 6 months plus FT. Cashfree is basically a fintech one. So I've joined Placewit in 2021. Yeah. So in October, and I've been trained at Placewit on DSA projects and all. So yeah, it helped me a lot in getting through this placement session. Like it's really been a cakewalk because of only of Placewit, because yeah, we also had this internships and internship based PPOs in the third year, but we literally had zero idea on what coding is and the start of the beginning of the third year. But in third year October, I came to know about Placewit and I joined. And after joining, I think my thought process changed, way of looking at problems changed. So yeah, this helped me a lot. Yeah.
Amazing. So by the way, just to let audience know, mine and her office is very close, just a building away. So yeah, not going off the topic. So how you got started with coding? Specifically when you go to a college, you have a dream that okay, I have to get a good offer, I have to get a good company, right? For that, you have to start coding. And as you have not touched or know what coding is, so how you got started with it?
Actually, like in 11th, 12th for the CBSE guys, they take Java or C and all. I'm from state board, so we don't have all those. We only basically focus on maths, physics, and chemistry.
Yeah.
So in the first year, we are having a C class, and all the people were like giving answers, and we are like, "What is this?"
Yeah, same thing
So,
happened with
like
me as well.
how what is the magic? Like I can't understand this thing, and they are already saying the answers, suggesting a better approaches and all.
Yeah.
And in the we are the 2019 very lucky batch COVID. So
Yeah.
COVID in the first year itself, we literally had no clue what is gonna be in placements because of zero college environmental experience and all. So in the second year, we were just playing, and third year, that was a reality check. Internships are there. So there's Microsoft and all. So I got interviewed for Wells Fargo for the internship one. At that time, like we literally had zero knowledge. I used to code in C in interview exams. I don't know like object-oriented program, Java and all. I didn't know. Like I really had zero clue. Still, I somehow managed to get into Wells Fargo interview. Like for DP questions, I am using array approach and I don't know how. I figured out some way into the interview, and he asked linked list. I was like, what is linked list? I literally had no idea. He was like, okay, good, bye. And after that, we dropped all the internship exams because we thought it's a time waste. हमसे नहीं होगा. We literally thought, अरे 2 घंटा आराम से सो जाएंगे. कुछ होता नहीं है हमसे. Then after that, in October end also, like there was a message in the group. So actually 15 members were selected for the internship from our college and Microsoft, 7 for Deutsche, 7 for Wells Fargo, and we were like, no, we don't know anything. We don't know the basics of coding. And then this Placewit entered, and I told my parents like, I want to join this. They are like, why? Like why are you talking something related to study? This is not your thing. I was like, no, I really wanted to do something, but I think I have zero idea on how to prepare, how to start also. So I want to join this. They are like, okay, if you want to join. So I gathered some friends around there. They're like, we will join, and we all joined. Hopefully, we are in the same batch, so it was nice. Placewit had many batches, but we are from the same batch, so we coordinated, and also like every week we used to do the assignment questions together in a Google Meet. Like if anyone had any doubts, clarifying and all. So that went nice. So and also we had this projects, AR related projects and web development related projects. That were the only projects in my resume, frankly speaking. I mean, no other college projects are really helpful because of the projects we choose. We choose the machine learning and all, and we are not so pro at that. So these helped a lot. These were only the projects in my resume. So,
Yeah. So after all the preparation was so like now you are good at coding. So what were the difficulties that you faced specifically while coding? Because it's a whole journey. Sometimes it's like, okay, we are not understanding the question. Then we are not able to code. Then when we understand the question, when we are able to code, it's like again the question becomes more tough. Right? And when we understand the tough question, we are not able to set up the logic. So this is a up and down journey. So how it has been for you, and how you like solve the major difficulties that you faced throughout?
yeah, initially, my brother suggested me to go to code in Java, and all my other friends are coding in C++. Of course, it doesn't make any difference, but after joining Placement, after 2 months, I shifted to C++. That was a major change, like the syntax and all. Till then, I was using Java. Of course, they are similar, but somewhat we will do either other, and I was like syntax errors and all. So that was a bit challenging, and also DP, obviously DP trees and graphs. It was nice till hash maps, sets, linked lists and all, because that are somewhat similar to arrays and all. That is like straight approaches. But when it came to DP and all, I was like, what have we learned so far? If these are the only questions, why have I learned all those? Then I was like, okay, that is somewhat like preparing for everything, and this is the real implementation. So that was like a rehearsal thing. So this was the real match.
So how was the interview experience, like after all the difficulties that you faced in coding? You have had a long journey, right? So how, when the placement season started, right? So were you confident enough to crack the company, and how it all went through, if I can know?
No, like when the placement started, we thought like everyone knows a lot more. We are at the least.
Everyone thinks so.
Yeah, I was like, I just told my parents, if I call you someday and say I got a placement, then only ask me about the placement. Up till then, I'm not gonna say which companies visited, which companies I've been interviewed for and all, because I'm not sure even I will get placed or not. I am at that least expectation of mine. And one of the first companies is Microsoft. So we all got shortlisted, whoever is from Placewit.
Okay.
Like there were 10 girls from the shortlist.
So there was a Placewit group at your college?
No, not Placewit group. It is our friends group who are most in Placewit.
Okay.
So they all got shortlisted for the Microsoft interview. And he was like, wow, nice. At least we can say we got interviewed at Microsoft.
Yeah.
So yeah, and after the Microsoft interview, what we realized is, no, everyone doesn't know not any more than us. We are on the same level, or we can say, okay, we can make it.
Exactly.
Yeah, because that was the first interview, we were thinking like, no, we got shortlisted for Microsoft, but what about the interview? But no, it was not anything like that. I really feel the Microsoft interview will be way easier than you expect. It was a nice experience interviewing at Microsoft, and then I got interviewed for Deutsche, Oracle, and Cashfree is the 8th company which I visited. And the interview process, it was 3 rounds and 1 HR round. The first round was completely technical. Second round, you will be asked a lot of questions related to DBMS, OS, OOPS, and also CN, and also SQL.
All the CS fundamentals.
Yes. Like they will dig in deep, very deep.
Yeah.
So that was also nice. And the third one is a managerial round. That is nice. That will test your thinking capabilities and the thought process and all. And the HR round was friendly. Like almost everyone who have got
Yeah, HR round, it's a 95% game.
as final.
If you do very worse, then only you can get rejected in HR round.
If you say like no to everything, then you will get rejected.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
So it has been amazing. We got to know how you started, how Placewit helped you out, difficulties you faced, when your placement season started, how was your journey been. So at the end, I would like to ask you any advice from your end that you will like to give to your younger self or to your juniors.
Actually, don't underestimate yourself. You will realize that yeah.
I thought you will say that don't underestimate the power of a common man.
Okay, yeah, of course. So yeah, okay, keep coding. Like, don't get discouraged when you were not shortlisted, and when someone who have solved lesser number of questions got shortlisted. These things happen. This shortlisting depends on many factors. So don't leave coding and all. So yeah, that will make nothing else great. Like it is not like you need to have great things. You need to do simple things in a greater way. So that will be good.
Amazingly said that you have to do simple things in a greater way. Very good. This has been my learning of the day. So, so thanks for such an amazing session, Manasa. And I learned a lot, and I'm definitely sure that whoever has seen this session has also learned a lot. So thanks for such an amazing session, and I wish you all the luck for all your future endeavors. Here at Placewit, you get a dedicated team of mentors and instructors from top companies who will support you until you are placed at a company that you actually deserve. You will be taught with a better tested curriculum, including everything that is required for an amazing placement, like coding, computer science subjects, projects, resume building, mock interviews, etc. And the best thing about Placewit is that they offer you a job guarantee without any upfront cost. This simply means that you can join Placewit and start the preparation for free with a guaranteed job. So check out the link in the description if you want to get placed in a top company. Thanks for watching.